Let's talk about that collaborative efforts with the BET Award. In 2019, was it 2019?
The collaborative what?
With the BET Award winning.
With Ujama. When I met him, ubeqeda kuwina BET Awards.
So he's the one Ujama lo ofuna how many tracks you have no Jam?
We did the first song I recorded in studio was Ingoma Yakhe Ixola from Yes, that was the collaboration, the first collaboration with him, which is the song we are performing right now just in the 2018 tour. It was 2018, yeah. And then we have Imasiye. After that is in Isipo.
Yes,
the thing.
And then now you still feel like, which one you haven't made it. I mean, we're talking about VTE, VET winners, yeah. And
hi guys, we end up with the BET.
But what I'm trying to say, yes, they say we need to be humble, we need to be modest, and all that.
Yeah.
But there's nothing wrong, because I believe all these things, they are relative. Being humble is relative. Being modest is relative. Being whatsoever, it's relative. And I wish just wear it in your skin so that we see it. Don't put it under your skin.
No, I mean, like I said, I am dope. I know that I'm dope.
Yeah.
But, akusiyo into yokuthi ngizoba izinto esengizenzile,
Okay.
Yeah, zizoyikhulumela zona izinto esengizenzile, but ukuthi ngidope ngiyakwazi ke nje lokho, nobody else can tell me otherwise.
Yeah, but you allow us to tell you as well.
Yeah, obviously.
To remind you so that you can know that you're still on the right track.
Yeah. You do need that for people to tell you, oh, khona omunye ubhuti ongishaya ngesixhosa lapha eCape Town, uzalo mabadi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. And then what's your deal breaker
in
anything? We have boundaries. Okay, let's start with family.
I would say in deal breaker, me lack of communication. I really hate it when a person keeps quiet instead of talking.
So in everything,
like in everything, like I hate it when a person doesn't communicate.
As much as you are not that good, but you want someone who's gonna make it simple for you.
I mean like communication, like going quiet, totally and then next thing Anisa communicate.
Oh yes.
And then saying lindile manje. Yeah, I don't like that thing, man. So in everything ngathi umuntu angaba on time with communicate his card and punctuality also, yes. Yeah.
Okay, so I was doing the right thing.
Yeah, you did the right thing, definitely. Definitely.
What keeps you resilient?
What keeps you resilient?
When there are times that your feet can't touch the floor. There are days where you don't want to wake up.
Yeah.
What keeps you? I have to be strong. Yeah, other people they want to call it super weak. I want to know what is that one thing that keeps you resilient?
I think I talk manginenkinga ngiyakhuluma angisumuntu who keeps izinto ngaphakathi. So when I'm wrong, when I have a problem, yes, I talk to the closest person ozophendula. Whether it's my friend Utunja or whether it's my boyfriend, yo, bro, I'm suicidal or whatever. Like, I'm not okay. And then and I cry. Like, crying helps a lot because after crying, you're like, yo, why bengi kalabele? Like, this, like, what's wrong?
Sometimes I'm not feeling what's in this to tell you because I cry. I cry, guys, like I cry whether I'm too happy. I get my emotions wonky. And sometimes I become mad at myself, like, man, I wish you learned because let's say I'm so sad something and I want to express to you that you really hurt me.
Yeah.
I'm feeling out joy. I'm a liar.
No. I always pushing the like cry, bra. umuntu ongakhali unenhliziyo embi. And the day breaker, it's gonna be a whole thing, you know. Like ukhala kuyasiza because ukhala kuyasusa a little bit, a young percentage of lento efilayo. So if you cry, khala nje brad, make it your hobby.
Ingane engakhali
Ifele embeleko, yes. And speak, khulume. Mawuhlushwa into. Umuntu mayikuphathe kabi nje umtshele same time angithandanga indlela owenze ngayo. Because if you don't say it, they're gonna do it again. And again and again.
And again and again.
So khuluma nje nokukhala kuyasiza a lot.
How does your family receive you, your craft, Unusam, and you being Unosipho?
My sister says she can't listen to my work because she cries.
Yeah.
All of them, honestly. I think ubuto wami ukwazi ukulalela, and you know, but they are very proud. But yeah, ibashaya.
Have you ever mawuyele emuva ukhale now? Did I really say that at that moment? And then start
yeah, there are poems.
Yes, Khalisa Shem. Nawe ke.
There are poems. I think there's a poem that I went back to a few days back, and I was like, now it's talking to me. You know? And I was crying. I was like, damn. I was writing this for my future.
I need to go find it. There's this one ume ebondeni ne. Wawufake i-bob troop dress. I just forgot the title of that. Engakhala that day ngalokho ngibuyela ngisembedeni. Wome ngasebondeni. I remember very well. And I think wawenze nezandla kanje. And awubhekanga icamera ne. I still see that I'm gonna go because of Nyazi. It's either ngi-repost it or it's my favorite one.
Wait,
gosh.
What made you cry about it? Was I crying in those videos?
Mina.
Oh, it was the words.
Yabo ukuthi ngine tattoo engakanani?
Yes. Oh, that's nice.
Ngibhaquze iron from my previous relationship. Ngine heart la bangishisa ngogwayi.
Wait, what?
Yes.
La wawulimazwe nge-iron.
Yeah, so it cover up. Nala.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Same person?
Yes. Nala. Yabona ngophume ithambo la.
Mama.
Yes. So it was about that. So now, as I said earlier, ukuthi accountability yafuneka nayo, because I had to go back and apologize to Uslindile because she allowed it.
Yeah.
And Uslindile had to apologize to her family because she put her family through that. Ahamba yokhala kubona.
And then
abathembisa ukuthi futhi aphinda abuyele. And then now people who loves you at the end of the day, you know what they do? Because they cannot witness this bayaqhela. Not that they don't love you, but they cannot.
Now.
Yes. So I had to go back kuloma stages now before ngizoxolela lo muntu lo. I had to start with me because I went back again and again. So at that point, I know you were saying something about that. So you can get one of the reasons that I love your craft. Yes, as much as we can say you did this, look documentary bengi pegile. That is why Rastafarians, they don't say we, they say I and I. You know, because at some point you partake in whatsoever that is happening. I'm not saying people deserve it. No one deserves to be abused.
They don't.
But can you just hamba?
Yeah.
Hamba. I know it's hard. A
fear of unknown,
and the comfortability as well. Because we're too comfortable to better the devil that I know.
Yeah.
Zonke lezo zinto lezo. So